Today is a big day on the homestead because we are going to buy a tractor. I think Brian has been waiting for this day for a very long time, and that day is finally here. I have been shopping for tractors this whole week, and by the way, I am feeding the chickens. We've been mostly looking at Kubota, Farmall, and New Holland. So would you like to see my chickens? They're actually getting bigger. I think I heard my rooster, who has been named Mr. Darcy. I heard him making sounds yesterday, I guess kind of like the rooster call, which is pretty cool. It means that he's maturing. And the hens have also been named. So let's switch the view. Good morning, birds. Good morning. So the hens, we have Lizzie, Jane, Charlotte, and Emma. For those of you who are literature buffs, I bet you know where those names are from. That's Lizzie right there. Right there. She is the ballsiest hen. She actually challenges the rooster, and that's been pretty cool to watch because his hair like puffs up around his neck. It is pretty cool. But yeah, they're getting big. They're not laying yet, but I think they're getting there. Good morning. Are you guys ready to eat? Are you ready to eat? Sounds like a plan. Mason has taken over the tractor.
Oh, really?
Oh, look how bouncy that is.
Hold that down. I don't. Okay. Well, sometimes when I talk, I feel weird because I'm like, I don't want to say something. I have a 22 horsepower John Deere lawnmower. Okay. No attachments, no hydraulics, no nothing. Okay. No bucket. I manually lift the deck up and down. Well, that ain't nothing wrong with that. So that right there works your 3-point hitch. So on the back there, that's what you'll connect the bush hog to. And that's how you'll raise it up and down.
Dada's in the tractor. With Alex, our sales guy. He came out on his day off just to sell us a tractor. This is super cool. While Brian is talking with Alex, Mason and I are just wandering through the tractor field here and farm implement stuff. You know, I have absolutely no idea what any of this stuff is. I mean, I know the tractors, but like this roll belt 450, I don't even know what that is. I think that those things in the back there are for hay. I don't know what they're called, but I think they're for hay. Okay, I better go chase after Mason James. Daddy's driving a tractor. He must have had a quick drive lesson on driving a tractor. Look at Daddy go. He's trying to get it to go forward. Daddy got it to go forward. Wow. There he goes. Shockingly, Brian's legs are not jiggling.
No, I'm so scared.
You're so scared that your legs aren't jiggling?
Yeah. That's a big investment.
Yeah, it is. How do you feel as a new tractor owner, Brian?
Well, technically, I don't have the tractor, but I'm excited. I'll be more excited when we get it. And then I'll probably never get to drive it once you figure out how to drive it, because
It'll become my tractor.
it'll become your tractor.
Uh-huh.
And we had the best salesman, Alex, at
West Hills,
West Hills in
Jonesboro, Tennessee.
Jonesboro, Tennessee.
Yep. If you need a tractor and you're in this area, go see Alex.
Yep.
The tractor purchase is complete, and we are finally back home. We didn't get a chance to go explore downtown Jonesboro like I wanted to. We just didn't have a sitter today, and Mason didn't tolerate being gone as long as we've been gone. However, he did get some new vehicles from Alex at the tractor place, and he is having a great time with them right now. So I don't know when we're going to get the tractor yet, because they're going to add like a hydraulic something in the front. I don't know what that's called. We did get a bush hog. That will be put to very good use almost immediately. Anyway, so we're super excited about that. And in other news, I have more chickens coming, and I have a laying flock coming. I just have to find a place to put them. That's just, I guess, the one negative. It's like I don't have enough space and places, but I will show you a chicken tractor I have for some little chicks that are going to be coming in September. Those are meat birds, and so I had planned to use the chicken tractor for the meat birds, and I may have to like put the new flock in there temporarily until I figure out something else for the flock of laying hens and their rooster. So